Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chrysler 300 rear bumper. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Next, safely raise and support your vehicle, which provides better access to the underside. Finally, place a soft blanket or some cardboard on the ground to protect the bumper once it is removed. Now, let's tackle the fasteners. Begin by removing the 3 pushpin retainers from each rear wheel well splash guard. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool for these. Then, carefully pull back the wheel well liner to reveal and remove a hidden 10mm bolt on each side. Finally, remove the 4 8mm bolts located along the bottom edge of the bumper. Moving to the trunk, open it and carefully remove both taillight assemblies. This often involves unscrewing a few nuts and gently prying them out. Next, peel back the trunk carpet on both sides to access and remove any interior bolts or rivets securing the bumper. Finally, locate and disconnect the main electrical wiring harness, which powers components like parking sensors and lights, usually found on the driver's side. With all fasteners and electrical connections removed, the bumper is ready to come off. Gently pull the bumper cover straight rearward to release it from the remaining body clips along the top edge. Double-check that no wires are still attached. It is highly recommended to have a second person help you carefully lower the bumper from the vehicle and place it onto your prepared soft surface. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.